In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut on your laptop, step by step, whether you're on Windows or Mac. This is a super simple beginner-friendly guide, and by the end, you'll know how to download CapCut, start a new project, import your media, edit your video, and export the final result straight to your laptop. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser on your Windows or Mac laptop and go to the official CapCut desktop website. It's always best to use the official site so you know you're downloading the correct version and avoiding any unsafe third-party downloads. Once the page loads, look for the download button and click it. CapCut will automatically give you the desktop version that matches your system. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install CapCut on your laptop. On most devices, this only takes a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. When CapCut opens for the first time, you'll see the main dashboard. And from here you can begin a new editing project. To get started, click Create Project. This opens a fresh editing workspace where you can begin building your video from scratch. This is the area where all of your clips, images, music, text, and effects will come together. If you're a beginner, don't worry. CapCut's layout is designed to be easy to understand, even if this is your first time editing on a laptop. Now it's time to bring in your media. Click the Import button to select files directly from your laptop. You can browse through your folders and choose the photos, video clips, audio files, or any other media you want to use. If that feels faster, you can also simply drag and drop your files through your computer folders straight into the CapCut window. This is one of the easiest ways to get your content into the timeline quickly. Once your files are imported, drag them down into the timeline and start arranging them in the order you want. You can trim clips, split sections, remove mistakes, add text, apply transitions, and make your video look exactly how you want it. Take your time here and build out your edits step by step. If you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this is where you can really make your video stand out. When your edit is complete and you're happy with the final result, it's time to export. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. This is the final step that saves your edited video onto your laptop. Before exporting, CapCut will give you a few important settings to adjust. Make sure you choose the resolution you want, such as 1080p for standard high quality, or 4K if you want the sharpest possible output. You'll also want to check the format, and MP4 is usually the best option for most devices and platforms because it works almost everywhere. After selecting your settings, choose where you want to save the file on your laptop. You can save it to your desktop, a project folder, or anywhere that's easy for you to find later. Then click Export again and let CapCut finish rendering your video. Depending on the length and quality of your project, this may take a little while, so just wait for the process to complete. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use CapCut on a laptop, from downloading the software to creating a project, importing media, and exporting your finished video. It's a fast and powerful way to edit videos right from your computer, even if you're just starting out. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.